Are you unsure which Xbox you have? Don't worry, I got you covered. Knowing which Xbox console that you own can help you make the most out of your gaming experience. So first, take a look at your Xbox console. The design can tell you a lot. So if your Xbox is small and has a circular disc drive, it means it might be an Xbox Series S. If it's bigger and it has a square disk drive, it could be an Xbox Series X. Next, check the back of your Xbox. So you'll find the serial number on a sticker. You can use this number to find out which model you have. So you head to the Xbox website and enter the serial number to learn more about the details of your console. Now, if you don't have the box or you can't find the serial number, don't worry. Turn on your Xbox and go to the settings menu. So under System, select Console Info. This will show you the model and version of your Xbox. Now, once you know which Xbox you have, you can start customizing your settings and enjoying your favorite games, all right? So, if this video helped you out, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.